Good morning, everyone. So welcome to my week in the life. I haven't done a video in like months, but I hope this makes up for it. Monday, and I have a full day of work, and we're just gonna blast through it. All right, so it's time to start my day. Actually, guys, I have been filming this video for quite some time. It's a mashup of all the day in the life videos that I didn't complete, but I decided to lump it all together and call it a week in the life. So I hope you guys don't mind. It's gonna be fun anyway. Pretty much each and every day, I'm back-to-back teaching makeup. This is my personal makeup class student and also my professional class student. So I do teach professional classes now on how to become a makeup artist. And this particular one, I am showing my student how to adjust her assessment. So just opening up the eyes and also how to make them larger and bigger. Now the shiny bit is coming in forward if you look straight. See the difference? Yeah, so this is more natural. After makeup, I also teach hairstyling. So this is one of my artist course students, Manpreet, and she's doing her hair assessment as well. They're not just doing assessments, they have gone through quite a bit in the course already. And of course, it was time for dinner with my really good friend, Alika. She's actually my high school friend, and we are eating at this Peranakan place called Violet Oon. Good morning, everybody. So today is going to be exciting because I'm going to be doing a day in the life. Except today, I'm gonna be following around my boyfriend, Benjamin. We're gonna follow him around because he owns an ID company called M2 Decor. And I sometimes go with him and follow him around his work. And I'm just constantly amazed at his work. And I thought, you know, today's the day I'm gonna be filming it. So yeah, let's go. Let's get this day started. So this is my boyfriend Benjamin, and we are in his office. He is an interior designer and renovator. So sometimes I always follow him to work, and I guess this is how we spend time together. But also I've been learning a lot about interior design myself, and it's quite interesting, his job, because it's not just an office job. He is constantly running around to each and every house and talking to his clients, making sure everything is good. This is us having lunch. We're just having chai fan. It's a mixture of different Chinese dishes. And I got one that looks like a bunch of different colors, the rainbow one. And for dessert, this is aga-aga, and you can get it at most food stalls in food courts, and it's just jelly basically. It's really good. And I feel like it tastes a bit of fruit. We went to a total of 6 or 7 houses actually that day. We have to look at the different stages of the transformations. It's incredible. Hey guys, so we are back in the car and we're headed to the next house. And at this time, I'm not an ID, so I'm feeling tired, but he's still going strong. Benjamin works incredibly hard at his job, and it's just something I seriously admire. But of course, we have our fun as well.
You sure you'll join us? You sure you're going to be there now? Are you sure, dude? Are you sure you want to come?
As an interior designer, you have to manage all aspects. Manage your suppliers, your vendors, your clients. You're constantly on the phone. You constantly have to go to many different houses and check everything and make sure everything's going smoothly. So it's definitely an intense job. Guys, we are on the 34th floor and we are so high up, and I'm actually really scared of heights. It's so high up, guys. I feel like we are not just on a tour of what an ID does, but also a tour of what houses and apartments look like in Singapore. But it's so worth it. Like, I see these places when they're being hacked, and when they are finished, they are completely different, and it's just amazing. You guys should check out M2 Decor if you haven't, and see their before and afters on their Instagram. Literally, like, out of this world.
因为他可能后面要挂东西，门在后面呢啊，所以他不会浪费很多位嘛，对不对？要搭火车了吗？
After that, it's time to go home. Definitely a long day, but it was really, really fulfilling. Hey everybody, so good morning and welcome to my day in the life. Today is one of my Bloom Pro Academy photo shoots, their graduation photo shoot. So these 3 students have finished their course respectively, and today they're gonna be doing the makeup and hair on their models. We are actually gonna go to a studio, have a photo shoot taken, flowers, and I'm so excited to bring you guys around with me as well today. So at the end of the artist course, which is a 64 hours professional hair and makeup course that I provide at Bloom Pro Academy, you will actually receive a photo shoot, and I take a lot of time to plan the photo shoots that are happening for their graduation. So here are my students. They are doing the makeup on the models. I arrange for all the models as well, and I also book a studio for them and the photographer so that they have a really good head start when they graduate. It's really important to them, and also really important to me that they succeed. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna go get food for everybody. So we're gonna go to Paris Baguette and get some sandwiches. We're right across the street from Bugis Junction. I got some chicken sandwiches and hot dog, which is like a Korean dessert. Yum. And then it was after that off to the studio. So I booked this place called Our Studio Space. It's like one of my favorite studios in Singapore. And we also booked a photographer. Her name is Megan, and she owns Ning Photography. She's so good. And if you guys want to check out how the photos came out and also basically what we do at Bloom Pro Academy, please check us out on Instagram at Bloom Pro Academy. You can see everything, all our classes, all the updates and everything. And if you guys are interested in a professional hair and makeup course, look no further. I will hook you up, and I will teach you personally actually at my own academy. So it's gonna be good. Hey everyone, so I really hope you guys enjoyed my week in the life video, and I actually filmed all these little videos thinking I was gonna be doing like a day in the life, and it ended up being a nice little montage of everything I've been up to. So anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day ahead, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.